Now we're gonna learn the articles in Spanish. So basically, how do you say the and a in Spanish? So there are 4 ways of saying the, and it depends on the gender and if it's singular or plural. The first one is el, which means the, but for masculine words. So here we have hombre, which means a man, and in order to say the man, we say el hombre. So el means the for masculine things, masculine nouns. The next one is la, which means the, but for feminine nouns. So here we have manzana, which means apple, but manzana is feminine, so we would say la manzana. El for masculine, la for feminine. The next one is los, which means the for plural things that are also masculine. So here we have hombres, which means men, el hombre, the man, los hombres, the men. So this one is plural, los. And the next one is las. So this one is for plural things that are also feminine. So here we have manzanas, which means apples, but they're feminine, so we would say las manzanas. La manzana, the apple, las manzanas, the apples. And here we have how to say a, or an, or some, and it follows the same pattern as with the. So here we have un carro, which means a car. So un means a, but for masculine nouns. So carro means car, so we would say un carro, a car, un, a. And the next one is una, which means a, but for feminine nouns. So here we have una mujer, a woman, una mujer. And the next one is unos, which is the plural form of un. So we use unos for plural things that are also masculine. So here we have carros, which means cars. So we would say unos carros. Un carro, a car or one car. Unos carros, some cars. And the next one is unas, which is the plural form of una. So we use this one for plural things that are also feminine. Here we have unas mujeres. Basically, mujeres means women. Unas, some. Unas mujeres. Una mujer, a woman. Unas mujeres, some women. The first example is la niña, the girl. La niña. And the masculine version would be el niño, the boy. El niño. Once again, la means the for female, el means the for masculine nouns. And the next one is los niños, the boys. Los, the for plural masculine. And here we have unas, which means some. Niñas, girls. Unas niñas, some girls. And if you only had one girl, how would you say it? We would say una niña, one girl, or a girl. Una niña, a girl. And here we have more examples, like la manzana, the apple, feminine, la manzana. Las manzanas, the apples. Las manzanas. Una piña, a pineapple. Una piña. Once again, una, a for feminine words. Una piña. And unas piñas. This one is plural. Some pineapples. Unas piñas. Another example is un huevo, an egg. Un huevo. And if you remove the un, you just have huevo, which means egg. Basically, egg. Huevo, egg. And the next one is unos jugos, which means some juice. This one is plural. Unos, some. Jugos, juice. And if you remove the unos, you only have jugos, which means juice. But this one is plural. If you only had one juice, we would say jugo, juice, jugo. More than one juice, jugos. Juice, but plural. And that's it for this one, and thanks for watching. So now it's your turn to practice Spanish. You can find the lessons Quizlet by going into the lecture resources folder. Thanks for watching.